What's going on, people? It's Donnie D and I'm back in the kitchen for another video, but today I will not be doing a video recipe. Typically on my channel I do video recipes on how to prepare healthy food, not only for yourself but your family, to help you assist with your weight loss goals. Today I'm going to be doing a video that's a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you 3 items that you can pick up from your local grocery store that's going to help you stay on track with your nutrition, that's not going to waste a lot of time, that doesn't require you to even turn on the stove. So if you're interested in seeing those 3 items that you can pick up from your grocery store, keep watching this video. So the first item that I'm going to recommend is going to be your protein, which is the rotisserie chicken. And it's going to come fully cooked, already pre-seasoned. And just giving you some tips on when you choose which parts of the chicken you're going to be eating. As you can see, I'm breaking down the chicken, the fully cooked whole chicken. The chicken breasts are going to be the leanest part of the chicken and also the most protein packed. So keep that in mind. And with the chicken thighs, the chicken thigh and the chicken leg, those are going to be your fattier parts of the chicken. So keep that in mind. Those are also going to be not as protein packed per ounce as the chicken breasts. The second item that I'm going to recommend is going to be your carbohydrate source, and it's the garnet yam or a sweet potato. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook this yam without using a stove or an oven. So I'm taking the yam and I'm poking holes in it to prepare it to be cooked in the microwave. That's right, in the microwave. So what we're going to do next, we're going to, after poking the holes into the sweet potato, we're going to take a wet paper towel, which is going to serve as a steaming source to help cook the sweet potato or yam through and through. So you're going to take the paper towel and you're going to wrap the sweet potato or yam to cover it completely, and then you're going to prepare it and put it in the microwave. After wrapping each yam with the wet paper towel, you're going to put them in a microwave, and keep in mind that you do not want to crowd the microwave. You don't want to put them in too close together. So the cook time is going to depend based on the size of the yam and also the number of yams that you're cooking. So I'm going to set the timer, the cook time, for 10 minutes. So at that halfway point of 5 minutes, you're going to be turning each yam a half turn to make sure that the yam is cooking through and through. You'll know when the yam is fully cooked because it'll be nice and soft to the touch. The last item that I recommend is going to be a steamer bag of frozen veggies. Make sure that you pick a veggie that does not have anything other than vegetables in the ingredients list, and there should be 0 grams of added fat. I won't waste time showing you how to cook these. You just simply put the bag in the microwave between 5 and 6 minutes and you're done. So I chose to have a mixture of white meat and dark meat. I have a chicken thigh and a chicken breast. With the sweet potato, I just cut it in half, and you should be able to tell whether or not it's fully cooked. It should be nice and soft and tender through and through. And you can add as many vegetables as you want. Pretty much this is all fiber and micronutrients, so your vitamins, vitamin K, magnesium, things of that sort. So you can just have as many of those as you want. Personally, I don't track green veggies. I just eat those freely to help fill myself up with fiber. This may seem weird, but I like to add natural peanut butter to my sweet potato. It may seem a little bit odd, but make sure that you choose a peanut butter that does not have sugar. This is going to be a healthy fat for some extra flavor and texture. Another item that I like to put in my sweet potato would be nutmeg and cinnamon. Just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way here. So just add a little bit and see if you like it or not. To me, this is a very good flavor combination. And just try it out and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. All right, folks, the video is pretty much complete, but I just wanted to do a quick recap. Starting off with the rotisserie chicken, you can find that at Costco, you can find it at Sam's Club, you can find it at your local grocery stores. It just depends on what part of the country, and they can range in between $5 and $10, but you're getting a whole chicken that's already cooked. And preferably, if you can afford it, always try to get the organic chicken if possible. The second item is a garnet yam. You can swap that out for a regular sweet potato or a regular, yam, if the garnet yam isn't available. But my personal preference and what I like is the garnet yam. It has a bit better of a flavor profile, and it has a little bit more moisture to it. And then the third item is the green leafy vegetables, preferably a steamer bag. You can find those anywhere. You can find them on sale. A lot of times grocery stores have them 10 for 10 or some type of special buy on them. You don't have to buy the big name brand and national brands. You can buy store brand, totally up to you on what your budget allows or what you're willing to spend for the food. Hopefully this free content is providing some value to you, and you can give back to me by liking this video, giving a thumbs up. Subscribing to the channel is even better. So if you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell, and so you can get updated on when I upload new content. And you can also leave feedback in the comments section. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what your thoughts are. In the meantime, this is Donnie D. I'm checking out. Until the next time, I'll check you later. Peace.